What is multi-paradigm programming?
Multi-paradigm programming means using features and techniques from more than one programming style, such as functional, object-oriented, or procedural. Instead of sticking to a single approach, developers use whichever paradigm fits a specific problem. This flexibility allows for more natural, maintainable, and efficient solutions throughout a software project.
Popular programming paradigms explained.
Some common programming paradigms include procedural, which uses clear step-by-step instructions, object-oriented, which organizes code around objects and data, and functional, which treats computation as the evaluation of mathematical functions. Each paradigm offers unique advantages and suits different types of tasks or problems.
Why mix programming paradigms?
Combining paradigms allows developers to use the best tool for each part of a project. For example, you might handle data structures with object-oriented techniques while using functional programming for data processing. This leads to cleaner code, better resource management, and improved scalability.
Examples of multi-paradigm languages.
Languages like Python, JavaScript, and C++ support multiple paradigms, making it easy to blend styles. In Python, you can write code using objects, functions, or a mix of both. This flexibility means you can adapt your style to the problem at hand, taking advantage of the strengths each paradigm offers.
Tips for effective multi-paradigm programming.
To use multiple paradigms well, understand the strengths and trade-offs of each one. Don't force techniques where they don't fit. Choose the most natural approach for your needs. Keep your code organized, readable, and consistent. With practice, mixing paradigms can lead to more robust and adaptable software.